In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pop-up form in Dorik. Start by heading to the Dorik login page and sign in to your account. If you see a prompt that says sign in as, go ahead and continue with your existing profile. If you use Google to log in, select your Google account to proceed. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Open the site you want to work on by clicking Edit Site so we can move into the builder. Inside the builder, look for the Components tab. Before continuing, make sure you've already built your form and saved it to your library. The pop-up will display that saved form, so having it ready is essential. With the Components panel open, switch to the Pop-up section. This is where you'll assemble the content that will appear inside your modal. From your list of components, find the form you want to use and drag it into the workspace. You're not placing it directly on the page as a visible section, you're preparing it to be used as the content of the pop-up. Once the form is on the canvas, click the row that contains it to open the Settings panel. Under the General tab, locate the pop-up settings and toggle Enable Pop-up. You'll be prompted to assign a modal ID. Use a short, unique, single-word identifier, such as sign-up modal, and remember it exactly, since you'll reference it later. Use the pop-up preview option to see how it looks and confirm the layout feels right. When that's set, close the row editor and open your main page settings. In the Basic tab, find the pop-up option. Here, choose the type and select the modal ID you just created so the page knows which pop-up to call. Then set your trigger. For this setup, select OnLoad so the pop-up appears as soon as the page loads. This is useful for announcements or time-sensitive offers, but use it thoughtfully to avoid overwhelming returning visitors. A few quick tips as you finalize everything. Double-check that the modal ID in your page settings matches the one in the row exactly, including dashes and case. If the pop-up doesn't show, that's the first thing to verify. Use the preview to make sure the form fields are readable, the spacing is comfortable, and the close button is easy to find. Also consider testing on mobile to ensure the pop-up isn't too tall for smaller screens. That's it. You've added a pop-up form in Dorik, linked it to a clean modal ID, and set it to trigger on page load for an immediate professional user experience.